to Erika's Best, where I will bring you the best of the best and more. Today, going along this week with bread week, I am making a quick bread, a double chocolate quick bread. So here I have my ingredients. My dry ingredients are 2 cups of flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of white sugar, and I also have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna add the salt and the baking soda in there and just give this a little mix. And then I'll do my white ingredients. So all of the instructions and the ingredients list will be in the description box below the video, so you don't have to worry about trying to get all of the ingredients, because it will be there, and you'll be able to get it there. But while I'm stirring this, just a little reminder, please hit the subscription button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And also, if you like this video, give me a like. So for my wet ingredients, I have 3/4 cup of whole milk. I'm using evaporated milk, but you can just use plain whole milk. And I have 2 eggs. And I'm going to mix those up. I also have a half a cup of melted butter. I'm gonna mix that up. Get that all mixed in. And then I'm going to make a little well in the middle. I'm gonna make a little well, which is a hole in between all of the dry ingredients. And I'm going to pour my wet ingredients in that well. So I'm just going to mix these ingredients together. You want to mix them as least as possible. So as soon as your mixture comes together, then you want to stop mixing, because this is a quick bread, and if you mix it too much, it will activate the gluten, and it will be, instead of being light and fluffy, it will be a thick, close textured bread, and we want this to be light and fluffy. And so now we have that mixed in. We need to now mix in our chocolate chips, and that was 3/4 cup of chocolate chips, but you need to measure out a whole cup, because you want to reserve a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips to the side. And also you want to put some of these walnuts to the side. Now I'm using glazed walnuts. This is a new product I saw in the store, so hopefully this is going to work good in this recipe. Hopefully they won't be too crunchy. And now I'm just going to put this dough in my baking pan. My toppings on top. And I guess depending on the size loaf you're doing, how much you want to reserve on the top. I'm doing a 9-inch loaf, so reserving back that half a cup of the chocolate chips and part of the walnuts works for me. So you can adjust for yourself. So the chocolate chips that I'm using one of the new Nestle Toll House Artisan Collection chocolate chips. They are a little smaller than the normal Nestle Toll House chocolate chips, the semi-sweet ones. These are a little bit smaller, but they're not like a mini. So you're still going to get a nice chunk of chocolate from these chocolate chips. So I'm giving these a try for the first time, and hopefully they'll come out good. So now I am going to bake this in my air fryer. So now I have put it in at 350 degrees, and I have set the air fryer for 55 minutes because that was the recommended baking time. But I am going to look in on it and check it probably about 35 or 40 minutes, and we'll be back when it's nice and done. Okay, and we are back. The bread is cooked, as you can see. It cooked pretty good in the air fryer. I think next time if I bake something in the air fryer, I will do it a few minutes less than the manufacturer recommends. But it is nice and moist, as you can see in the middle. I got a thumbs up. My daughter loves it. So I hope you'll try this video, and stay tuned. I have more videos on breads this week. Look out for bagels, look out for rough puff pastry, look out for croissants. So I hope you'll join me for the rest of this week for Bread Week. Thanks for watching. Again, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.